CNBC anchor and the New York Times columnist Andrew Ross Sorkin warned he's anxious the U.S. stock market is heading towards a collapse similar to the 1929 crash. In a profile that aired on 60 Minutes, Sorkin explained that today's market shows clear signs of an unsustainable bubble. I think it's hard to say we're not in a bubble of some sort. The question always is, when is the bubble going to pop? Sorkin pointed to artificial intelligence as a driver behind the current boom but cautioned it may not be sustainable. I would argue to you the economy is being propped up, almost artificially, by the artificial intelligence boom. Whether that boom turns out to be a gold rush or just a sugar rush, may not become clear for years. Earlier in the interview, correspondent Leslie Stahl asked Sorkin if he feared a repeat of the infamous 1929 market crash. I'm anxious that we are at prices that may not feel sustainable. And what I don't know is, we are either living through some kind of remarkable boom, and part of that is artificial intelligence and technology and all of that, or everything is overpriced. When Stahl suggested, or we're reliving, Sorkin finished her thought, saying, 1929. The interview aired during a roller coaster of a year for the stock market. Since January 2025, the S&P 500, NASDAQ and Dow Jones have each risen between 7% and 15%. But it hasn't been a smooth ride. Markets dropped in April after President Donald Trump announced his Liberation Day tariff plan. Still, the market rebounded, rising 13% to 32% over the past 6 months. Wall Street also experienced a shakeup after Trump announced plans to impose a 100% tariff on Chinese goods. However, investor fears of a trade war simmered when Trump assured the public that the U.S. wants to help China avoid a depression.